Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KERN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis several days ago, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely updates need to be done. Actually, first thing I need to do is just some house cleaning. Because the movement today was so much, I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of all these lines. Sure, they still pertain, but like I said, because the price movement was so big, they're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible going forward. One of the newest areas of support, what I would call the ideal level of, if you say, hey, Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up there above $10.75. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $10.75, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 10.75 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Initial level of resistance is just the highs from earlier on, which is essentially right where the price closed at. So assuming there's no gap downs, very valid, very rational to think that there very well could be a breakout of this 1250 mark. In the event there is a breakout, let's go to the daily time frame here and go on a little treasure hunt here of where the next potential areas of resistance are. So we are looking at multi-month highs right now. So in the event there is that breakout of 1250, next key overall level to keep an eye on right up there about $13.75. So very, very powerful move today. The week is still young, still 3 days left, so let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.